Hi guys, my name's Calypso. Today we're going to be testing out Runaway truck ramps in ATS and seeing if they work. I have the Frosty Winter Weather mod installed because it's winter and it's cold and it's almost Christmas, so I mean it fits. It doesn't feel right to have it be summertime when it's not actually summertime. But yeah, we're going to be playing this today, and our first stop will be on Highway 50 after you pass Monarch Crest. So yeah. Wow, there's some pretty bad weather today. It's only 8 in the morning. Jeez. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does. Whoops. I didn't do that. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. No, nobody saw that. I definitely overturned on that one. Whoops. Let me know if I should do streams, because I talk a lot, and I feel like I would prefer talking while I'm actually doing something. So, yeah. Uh-oh. Don't get over. Don't get over. No! I said don't! Oh my gosh. Really? Okay, the thing I don't like about this game is the truckers think that they can just cut you off and that they don't have to stop. That's not how that works. Well, I thought I was clear to get over. Apparently not. But why are they going so slow? I don't get it.
NANI?!
Oh! Wow! Seriously, it's not that hard just to go! I wasn't even speeding that time. What the heck? here we go. After this turn, see, there's Monarch Crest. It's very pretty. I mean, it's kind of hard to see because it's snowy, but it's pretty. Oops. Alright. The trucks. I'm not slowing down. I'll speed up. Very Tesla. Nope, it's not this one, it's the next one. There we go. Alright, here we go. As fast as you can. Uh-oh. Well then, that was fun. Huh. Well, wasn't that just exciting? Huh, well, that's the first one. We're gonna go to the second one next. It is bright and early in ATS, and we're going from Montrose. Is a small town for Highway 50 question mark. Yeah, we're going from here, Montrose, to Durango, which is through the $1 Million Highway, which is kind of scary. I might post a separate video driving through it, which is the same because it's really sped up, but yeah.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
There it is. Alright, ready? Well, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want more streams. And, I'll see you guys next time. Yeah. Okay. Bye.